Start the video. So guys, please open your project and open the folder where your project is located. I want you to find out what's the size of your folder. Okay, go to your project folder and tell me the size of it. Real 1.60 gigabytes. You're using the same project since this semester? Only one project? How come it's more than 1 gigabyte? Okay, how to know? Let's go to our project. What? 100? 400? Megabytes. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. But more than 1 gigabyte? Okay, Sadullah John, do you have a lot of images inside? Maybe that's why. Oh, you're using MacBook? Yeah. Do you have a lot of images?
No.
You're using the same project since the beginning?
I only have this one.
This project?
Yeah.
Yesterday's project?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see mine.
Maybe 5
Where is okay, D folder, Flutter apps, and this is app 103, right? Oh, yeah, first one, yeah. So the size is 253 megabytes. Okay. So if I check others, 500 megabytes, 475 megabytes, 449 megabytes. So it will vary, but it will be several hundreds megabytes all the time. Okay. Faster, 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 faster. Okay, so your project will occupy several hundreds megabytes, and as it gets bigger and bigger, it will get bigger and bigger as well, especially when you add images, videos, right? So the problem is our LMS cannot. You cannot upload so much data into our LMS, because if everybody uploads like 500 megabytes of data in one time, the traffic, the bandwidth will be occupied, even the database will be occupied. So that's not cool, right? So that's why when we send our Flutter project, we have to minimize it, and then we can send. Then the receiver, which is me, later on, I can get it work later on, no problem. Okay, so that's what we're gonna talk about today. So right now it's 400, right? 253 megabytes. Please, everybody, open your terminal. Open your terminal and just type Flutter clean. Yeah. Click enter. Clean. So you must get errors everywhere. So what does it do? Flutter clean will delete all your packages. Okay, so if you go to pubspec.yaml, you have packages like Flutter, you have Flutter package, Cupertino icons package, Go router package, etc. You will have many packages. All of them will be stored here. Okay, the names. So Flutter clean will delete all of those packages. As a result, if you go and check the size of your folder now, okay, I have to refresh. 1 second. Refresh. Now if I go and check, it should be 3 megabytes, 3 or 4 megabytes. Okay, so after you delete all of the packages, it becomes very small. Can you see it? Okay. So before you send your project into LMS or anywhere, okay, later on as well, if you want to send it to your friend as well through Telegram, make sure you do Flutter clean first, then send. Then later on he can just download all the packages himself, no problem. But you do Flutter clean first. Okay? So do you know how to make zip file or no?
Yes.
No. Okay, for those who know, please create zip folder from this folder, name it as your first name and last name, and send it to the group. Let me see who can do it and who cannot do it. 130 gigabytes. Bring it here.
1.8
Yours?
gigabytes.
What are you doing, guys?
It becomes 500 kilobytes.
Their handwriting is
This one. Okay, wait. Routing. Flutter clean. You couldn't do Flutter clean, that's why.
yeah, but the problem is
Okay.
can we send all the refile or
Okay. I think the problem is you don't have access rights, read and write permissions for the current user. What you need to do, you have to log in as administrator. See, because I'm the administrator, so you're not administrator. I don't know how you did it, but you're not the administrator. So you have to log in as administrator with in your Windows. Okay, so now Abdullah Yusuf is not administrator. You have to make him administrator, or you sign in as your administrator. I don't know your computer. You have to find it. So then you can use Flutter clean. Otherwise, C file you cannot change, or you can just create your project in D file. In D file you don't have to. You don't have D file.
but in other files it's working.
Flutter clean wasn't working.
Yeah.
They were in desktop or no?
That's not
Then what's wrong?
maybe Sadullah yesterday sent the codes. I copied it only maybe for
I don't know.
mistake from this.
Try your project. Try the project you created. What? No, perhaps YAML file. You see, the problem is you are in desktop Flutter 2. That's here, right? But your project is this one. Okay.
I should enter here?
First of all, you have to open this folder, but it's okay. If you open the parent folder, then you have to go to the child folder here, CD, Flutter, then make sure you are here in the application folder, then you can use Flutter clean. Later on, don't open like this. Open this folder straight away, okay? Okay, Saidullah John, let's see. Good. You see, after you create zip folder from it, it becomes even more smaller. Gulnara, can you make it not rar but zip? Because it will be easy for me to check if it is zip. You see, if it is rar, my browser will open. If it is zip, my folder will open, which is more convenient. Olam John. Good. Dilnawaz Khan. But what you need to do for your assignment, you have to download your project from FlatLab and then send the zip file. Okay?
Teacher, is there any way of like deploying the Flutter on free?
I don't know. You have to check. They might be, I don't know. Okay, Rahmatullah. Kamola. Okay, don't give me this kind of file, Tufan John. Your first name, last name should be there. Dawlatyar, also. I know that you're the only one, the only Doni here, but still, let's make it professional, okay? Okay. Who has problems with zip file? Look, if you have problems, let me teach you. So you just go to the folder, then you right click, and let's say you don't have WinRAR, okay, or you don't have 7-zip like me. You just go to send to at private, okay, then you just select the second option here, compressed zip files, sжатая папка. You just click on it, then you can name it. You just name it as your first name, as last name, Ishmat Tashmat, okay? And as you can see, it was how many megabytes? 3 megabytes, right? 3 megabytes. And now this is 1 megabyte. So after you create zip folder from it, it becomes even more smaller. Okay, who put dislike here? How about this? Tony, okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Pass. Okay. Yes.
It was working by Avast antivirus.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah,
Now I allowed it and it's working.
okay. Actually, why do you need antivirus? You don't need antivirus, guys. Just be careful. That's all. Don't use pen drive which you don't know, and don't click on the suspicious links. That's all. Otherwise, there is no way you will get affected. Okay?
1.7 megabytes.
Still?
Megabytes.
Oh, megabytes. Okay. Fatima, I need your first name and last name. Fatima, okay? I need your first name and last name here. What's this? Mukhruddin, how come you have this Flutter icon? You can create your own icon?
No, it's only this one.
So they have Flutter icon. Wow. I didn't know they have Flutter icon. Okay, now everybody is. This is what, Kotlin? So Mukhruddin, Kamil, you have Flutter, Telegram Premium, all of you, right? Okay, what kind of advantages do you get with Telegram Premium? Tell me.
Flutter icon.
Flutter icon. Flutter icon, what else?
More than 2 gigabytes files.
More than 2 gigabytes files, okay. Until what? What's the limit?
Subscription service.
Huh? 10, okay. What else?
Voice message, comments to text.
Okay.
And you can translate on the chat English or something for other languages.
Okay. Good. How much? It's one-time payment or subscription? Four gigabyte. Good. Who's this? Nuruddin. Okay. So now, when I receive your zip folder, I will just unzip it, and then all of these are not working now, right? Because we deleted the Flutter, we deleted even Go Router, we deleted everything, right? So now, how can I get it back? I just say Flutter pub get. Flutter pub get. it will install all the dependencies back and the errors should be gone. Can do? Okay. So another thing is, after you created your mobile app, how do you deploy it, right? So to deploy, you have to pay some amount. It's more expensive for iOS. It's less expensive for Android. So basically, what you need to do if you want to upload it to Play Store, you have to open a developer account here, which is not free. But it's not expensive. I don't remember how much. Then you can just upload your file there. Yes.
I have a developer account.
Yeah.
If they want to deploy it, I can do use my account.
It's okay. Have you tried before?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I mean, I'm just gonna show how to create a build APK. The rest is not that hard. You just have to provide the command, create account, then the name, price, if you have any price, the author, description, and then upload your APK file. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create our APK file. So everybody please just type Flutter. Okay, let's say Flutter clean first, and then Flutter build APK. So do Flutter clean first, then do Flutter build APK.
Dependency. What about dependency?
It will take care of it itself. APK. It may take time. Just do Flutter APK. Let it finish, then you will see, you will understand what we're doing. Flutter build APK. Amar Bek, what was the price of developer account? 25 one-time payment? For iOS, it's different. For iOS, you have to, in order to upload to Apple Store, you have to have Xcode. Okay, Xcode. The code is the same, but the program for you to be able to upload to Apple Store, Xcode. So that means you have to have MacBook, or you have to install virtual machine of MacBook to your Windows. To Apple Store. To Apple Store, it's very strict. They don't accept everything. But to Android Store there's no censorship too much. Yeah, Play Market, there's no censorship too much. You can find a lot of nonsense programs there. Yeah. Because they care about their brand. They care about the security. Because if you have an app, guys, and if some user downloads your app and install it on his phone, you can access his location. You can access everything he does from your application. So in Apple Store, they check it. They check whether you are doing it or no. So they just follow all the security precautions. Yeah, well, that's what we can do now. If you're using FlatLab, you must have the download button there. Do you have it? Export button, download button. Dilna Osman, do you have it? Export or download button. Okay, at the end you must get this kind of green message. Okay, look, until it does it for you, let me show you what it did. It creates build folder. If I open build folder, there's an app folder, then outputs folder, then Flutter APK folder. That's the file I need to share with you. That's my installation file. So if I get this file and send it to you, oh my god, I send it to you, it's like around 20 megabytes right now. You can install my app on your phone. Mukhroddan, so with Telegram Premium you can react multiple times? 3 times? But with normal Telegram account only 1 time, right?
You can boost some channel pattern.
See. It's so slow. Did you get green message, guys? Not yet? Amurbek, what's your application? Let them download your application. What's the name of your application? No, I mean, you said you uploaded to Play Store, right? Math for kids.
But it's not like I updated it. That's why it's not working. But it's on the Google Play.
You did it with Flutter?
We did it.
When?
Years ago.
Wait, which one?
I just help with the UI part, but the main core part, showing how to develop it.
So if you have developer account, how many apps you can download? Upload?
Limited?
Yeah, unlimited, I guess. So you found the way? Good. Behrouz, did you find the way to download from FlatLab? Good.
I send you on Telegram the link.
Oh.
No, they didn't. You did not update your application data after like 6 months. I think. But it got like 10,000 downloads actually.
2000 what?
Downloads across the world.
Really? That's good. Was it free? Was it free?
Yet?
Oh, that's a good game. Yes, Mukhruddin, I know. I know. The school Wi-Fi is not sending anything. I'm connected to mine, and that's also so very slow. 3 hours later, right? Good. But did you get green message or no, guys? Anyone? Still nobody? Red. What do you mean red? Error? You got error? What error? I have seen this before. Who is this guy? Who is this? I have seen him before somewhere. Subjective, yes. Yeah, that guy, yes. Ah, internet. Any new photos? Nothing's new. I think Knyaz is new. Oh. Give me the meaning of it. What do you see here? Huh? Zik? I thought it's a piece of art, like you can find the meaning. What is he reading? What is he drinking? What he's thinking about?
Almost scientists in this cartoon, you know. Wow. The man is
Good Photoshop. Mukhruddin, who is he? Will Smith. Okay, I like Mukhruddin's answers. He? Who's he? Who is she? Huh? Girls as well? What do you mean girls as well?
You like answers? More than
Answers,
answers.
answers. What?
I heard it.
And then, okay, never mind. Okay, who's this? Okay, I ask you, Talitar, who is this? Mukhruddin. Al Pacino. Which movie is this? Scarface. Scarface. But this one is Scarface, if I'm not mistaken. This kind of color, varatnik color dealer. Varak. So on top of your suit is from Scarface, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Ah, good. Why black heart, Bilal?
Because I was young and just because I'm trained. Last time
Oh yeah, where is Dilaf Rose? Okay, she's not here, unfortunately. Okay, you got it. Okay, please download it, guys. So after you download, you can install it. Now I have to wait the same time for download.
Oh, I still downloading.
Yes? Huh? Sorry? I shared yesterday, right? Yesterday we shared. Yeah, from here. From here.
Teacher, do you have to download to phone or just laptop?
Phone. Yes? Okay, open your build folder, app folder, outputs, Flutter APK inside. Then just take it and throw it. Guys, look. Now I'll show you how. So, it's working? Yeah, it works. So now I downloaded it. Yes, so.
Download phone.
Stop there. Okay, download it. So if you click on it, it will ask you to install. Just install it. Install. Then open it. It will give you exactly the same application we created. Okay, then I can use this username. Wow. Okay, give me username, guys. What was the username? Tony. Password. Capital T, right? Tony 0603 dot. Yeah, like this, right? So if I log in, then it should show. What's the password? Okay. If it is not, then it goes to the next page. It's based information of. Okay, so the same application, but now we can share it. Okay. You couldn't download it? iPhone? this is for Android. For iPhone, I had to have Xcode, which is in MacBook.